In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the TCL 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and take a good detailed look at it. There were no issues with the unboxing process. Everything looked like it was well packed. Upon unboxing the unit, you actually have a user manual. You also have a top bracket that you adhere to the top of the air conditioning unit so that the top bracket can sit back into the window. You're also presented with foam, which allows you to keep the outside elements like heat and bugs out of the living space area. You also have side panels that also do the same function. Keep the heat out, keep the coolness inside, and also keep the bugs out. In addition to that, along with the foam, you also have the stripping, and these two elements do a great job of reducing vibration. And that's what you want when the condenser kicks on, especially in a bedroom setting. And lastly, we have the screws, which allows you to better fortify the unit so that the window cannot be opened, and the overall security of keeping the 5000 BTU air conditioner in place. This top bracket right here is typical installation amongst all air conditioners that I've taken a look at. All you do is you take the screws and you screw in the top of that bracket, and what that actually does is it lets you put in the air conditioner, and it allows the air conditioner to sit back into the window. Here you see the Energy Star rating, and the one thing I really like about air conditioners like this is the toolless design when you go to put the side panels on. There was only one out of several that did not have this feature, and I just think it saves so much time when you go to set up this air conditioner. So this right here is the TCL 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, and this is one of the few that I've actually looked at that actually has a drain port on it. So this is huge to me. You get a filter on the side here, removable filter. You have the cool knob on the top, which allows you to go from min cool all the way up to 7, which is max cool. You have off, low cool, high fan, and low fan. The plug comes with a safety feature. And I have to say, for a bedroom setting, this is actually one of the better units that I've looked at. And this is actually one that I'm actively using in my bedroom.